they're brilliant and they're learning and they have fun. You know, my husband walked in, I was working on our QuickBooks, and Garrett was talking to Mr. Kinsey about Roman empires. And he's like, what are they doing? I'm like, oh, that's just what they do.
Virtual learning is really good for a lot of students who struggle in a typical classroom, either from health conditions or struggling socially, or even students who are just really engaged in different activities and sports, and a regular school structure doesn't fit their schedules really well.
Amy burned through all of the math for that year, and they didn't have an option to do more. She was just done. When we went to Dove and got to that point, they were more than willing to set her up with extra classes and let her get ahead.
We will come into school at 7:30, they'll have breakfast, they'll check their schedule and set alarms and go to their live class meetings with their teachers. In between their live classes, they'll work on their assignments or watch videos or recordings. They also will work on their coding.
Sometimes we'll get to spend time in clubs and learn about all of our favorite things to do, other than just, you know, the basic 4 courses.
She has more flexibility during the day. There are scheduled classes, but when she has to do the work varies. She can take a nap in the middle of the day if she needs to.
Then after that, I usually have the freedom to eat lunch with my family and help them cook. And we have game nights almost every day, and I don't think that would be possible with a normal school.
Sometimes they will get together for a drone club or a computer club.
Cuisine club, art club, anime club, literature club, and we're working on a car club.
We sing, we dance, we tell stories, and we write and we draw. And they love to interact, and they can move at their pace.
My oldest child has completed several courses through Harvard student academies. He has taken coding classes and quantum physics, artificial intelligence through the coding school.
Well, it taught me how to make artificial intelligence with a computer in my hands. I can code AI from this year-long course.
She's talked about NASA and coding for them. There's definitely an art. She's ahead in math. She's taken college-level courses already for computer science.
If you want a free schedule and a STEM education and interested in computer science, I think this is definitely the right choice.
They would call us, they would email us, they offered to bring things to us, to do anything they could. And at that moment in time, it really felt like we were a family, and I felt their love and care.